All right, so problem 4. First of all, keywords again, okay? So keyword
2 and 5.
2 and 5? 5, right. Okay, so it says, John bought 2 boxes of books at a yard sale. If each box had 5 books, how many books did he buy? Okay, so obviously, we're going to start with the first number, so 2 times 5. Does everybody agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, can anybody raise their hand and tell me what 2 times 5 is? Yes. 10. Okay. A couple different ways we can figure this out. Obviously, we can do our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. One possible way, which is what we've been working on lately. Or if you, sometimes people get a little bit tricky on problems such as this when it says, John bought 2 boxes of books at a yard sale. If each box had 5 books, another way that you could do it would be to take the box, this is box 1, this is box 2, they each had 5, 5 plus 5 equals 10, okay? So another way that you can manipulate the problem into using different math concepts that you know and you recognize is by always drawing a picture or a diagram, right? Okay? Since we know that this is a little bit more of a basic computing a basic thing is 2 times 5 obviously is going to equal 10. So we know that to solve it, it equals 10. So how many books are there total is what the question is asking. So how many boxes does he have? How many books did he buy?
10.
He bought 10 books, okay? And I think we're going to go down to problem 6. So I want you guys right now to solve problems 5 and 6. And I want you to do it on your scratch paper. Do it on your scratch paper, and I want you to set it up just like this for 5 and 6. I want you to write keywords, tell me what they are. Write the setup, do the setup without the answer, and then I want you to solve it with the same setup and the answer. So I want you to set it up just like this for problems 5 and 6. Does everybody have 5 done? Okay. All right. Good? Alright, here we go. So let's go problem 5. An employee at a construction site earns $8 an hour. If he works 8 hours in 1 week, how much money would he have earned? So, keywords, go ahead.
8.
8 is 1. What's another one? Problem 5?
No. 8.
So 8 and 8. Okay, so the setup. What do you think the setup would be? So if we had 8 and 8, how would we set it up?
8 times 8.
8 times 8. Okay, our missing is the answer, which the answer is, what it's asking is how much money would the employee have earned in 1 week, okay? So we're gonna take this and this to get that answer. So one possible way that we could do it will be the dots. 8 dots, okay? Some of you, give me one way that you did it. Did somebody just go 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 items together, or did you actually solve it using a different method, such as a diagram? Or I see that you have at a different set. Did anybody use it in a different way?
Yeah.
Okay, so walk it through me.
So
You have 8 times 8, right? Okay. What did you do now?
So then you would put 8 dots.
8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And then you would.
So each dot's an 8, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So 8, 8, 8, 8. Is that what you did?
Mhm.
Okay.
Then you would know that each one is 16.
Okay. So each one of these, 16, 16, 16, 16. Then did you go by 2s?
No, then I added the 16 and then the 16 together.
So you went this way, right? 16 plus 16.
Mhm.
And what'd you get?
32.
32. And 16 plus 16
62.
for 32. So then you have 32 plus 32 equals
62.
64.
64.
Oh, yeah, 64.
3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. It's a great way of doing it. Okay, see then, guys, if you do it this way, you can double check multiple times. Does that make sense? So, I obviously, you're going to count the 8s to make sure you have 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, that does match. 8 plus 8 equals 16. I make sure each one of those says 16. And then I knew 16 plus 16 is 32, so I've checked again. 16 plus 16 is 32, so now I've checked 8 times, and then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and now I'm going to go 32 plus 32 equals 64.
Yeah.
Okay? So it gives you a ton of different chances to fix any problems that might occur. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay. We will go on 6 through 12 at a different time. If you'd like to make sure that your name is on it, pass it forward with your scratch pieces of paper together. And you guys may go to lunch or to your classroom.